So today, me and Bailey.
Wagwan.
What?
Hello.
Oh, that's what I mean. Anyways, Fake K Resort. Anyway, so today we are playing.
Kylis, is he real?
That's not real. The real Kairos has like the Adidas animation book. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Waiting for players. Do we need to wait for players? Nah. So, and we got Mrtoastles here. Say hi, Mrtoastles.
Hello.
Wait, we have the exact same skin, man. Wait, do we have the exact same skin?
Right.
Okay. First.
I'll just gaze up.
Let me. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, we don't have. So here we go. Hi, I'm Chloe. I can't say that name.
You can.
Oh yeah.
Don't do that. Right, what do I do?
I seriously don't know if that's. This is just.
Not an anomaly.
Okay.
Not an anomaly for a
Oh yes. I got William one. Since we don't know what I need a name tag, but okay. Yep, go.
No, I'm doing this patient.
Okay.
Someone's over there waiting.
Okay. So you'll be good to go. Yeah. I'll do this patient.
No, I'm doing the patients.
Oh. When's the... Huh? Okay. There's no animal there. I want to be an animal there. Did you just do that so you get the best?
No.
Yep, this guy's normal.
Wait.
Oh no, he's not normal!
Yes, he is.
I just saw his head.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. He's normal.
Tell me when to.
That's yours. You go do him.
Okay.
Right, I know what to do. Right, don't go in. Maple syrup. What was that?
Sesame. He's got a lash. Got clean slime.
I need you. Look at this trick. Look.
I am. Coffee?
There's no more. I need you.
Oh, I still have a patient to do.
Get him. Oh my god.
Can't find the right stuff. Found it.
Not copyright.
Yeah.
Someone's dying. You didn't get them. You're finishing this person. In room 3. Go to room 3.
Need some medication.
Have you even done the job?
Yes. I swear I did do
You
the.
haven't. It's one in room 3.
I did do the one in room 3.
You didn't. There's one in room 1. Okay, we should end the video here.
Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to.
Guys, he's weird by the way. Don't subscribe to him, subscribe to me.
What are you doing? Just make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.